Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm David.
And I'm Alice. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome, welcome. Are you cooking right now? Are you driving? Are you relaxing?
Whatever you are doing, we are happy you are with us.
Today, we have a really fun and useful topic for you.
Yes, and I love today's topic because everyone does this every single week.
That's right. Today, we are talking about shopping at the supermarket.
The supermarket. Such a simple place, but in English, so many useful things to say.
And today, we will teach you exactly what to say. Real English, simple English, natural English.
The kind of English you actually use in real life, not textbook English.
Exactly. No textbooks today. Just two friends talking, laughing, and learning together.
Yes, and maybe making a few mistakes along the way.
Definitely. Okay, before we start, if you are new here, welcome to Ace English Daily.
This channel is for English learners just like you. We speak slowly, we speak clearly.
And we make learning English feel easy and fun.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. It's free, and it really helps us.
Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson.
And give this video a thumbs up if you are ready to learn.
Okay, everyone, let's go to the supermarket.
David, I need to go to the supermarket today.
Oh, really? What do you need?
I need a lot of things. Vegetables, fruit, some bread, and maybe some chocolate.
The chocolate is always on the list.
Always. It's very important.
Okay, so before we go to the supermarket, what do we do first?
We make a shopping list.
Yes, a shopping list. Say it with me. Shopping list.
Shopping list. Shopping list.
A shopping list is a list of things you want to buy. You write it before you go to the supermarket.
For example, milk, eggs, bread, apples, pasta, coffee.
I always write my shopping list on my phone now.
I still use paper, a small piece of paper.
And do you lose it?
Every single time.
Me too. That's why I use my phone now. Okay, here is our first useful phrase. Listen carefully.
Listen carefully, everyone. The phrase is, I need to go to the supermarket.
I need to go to the supermarket. Say it slowly with us. I need to go to the supermarket.
I need to go to the supermarket.
Good. Now say it again. I need to go to the supermarket.
Perfect. Now, another very useful phrase, I need to buy some things.
I need to buy some things. Simple, easy, very natural. Or you can say, I need to pick up a few things.
Oh yes, pick up. This is very common in everyday English.
Pick up means to get or to buy something. For example, can you pick up some milk?
Can you pick up some milk? It means, can you buy some milk?
Pick up some milk. Pick up some eggs. Pick up some bread.
Very natural, very common. People say this every day.
Okay, we have our shopping list. Now let's go inside the supermarket.
Okay, David, we are inside the supermarket now. Where do we start?
Well, a supermarket has different sections, different parts. Each part has different food.
So let's learn the names of each section. This is very useful.
The first section is called the produce section.
Produce. Say it. Pro-deuce. Produce.
The produce section has fresh fruits and fresh vegetables.
Apples, bananas, oranges, tomatoes, carrots, onions, lettuce.
All the fresh, healthy things.
The things we know we should eat more of.
Exactly. Okay, the next section is the dairy section.
Dairy. Say it slowly. Dairy. Dairy.
The dairy section has milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, and eggs.
If you need milk, go to the dairy section.
For example, I always go to the dairy section first.
Me too, because I always need milk and eggs.
Next, the bakery section.
Bakery. Bakery. Bakery.
The bakery section has bread, cakes, muffins, and cookies.
Oh, I love the bakery section. The smell is so good.
Yes, I always smell the bread and then I buy things I didn't plan to buy.
Same. I go in for one loaf of bread and I come out with 3 cakes.
It happens to everyone. Okay, next section, the frozen food section.
Frozen. Frozen food.
The frozen food section has ice cream, frozen pizza, frozen vegetables, frozen meals.
Everything is very cold. Everything is frozen.
And the last section we will talk about today, the drinks section.
The drinks section, also called the beverage section.
Beverage. Age. Beverage. It's just another word for drink.
Water, juice, soda, tea, coffee, all in the drinks section.
Okay, everyone, let's repeat all the sections together. Ready?
Ready.
The produce section.
Fresh fruits and vegetables.
The dairy section.
Milk, cheese, eggs, butter.
The bakery section.
Bread, cakes, muffins.
The frozen food section.
Ice cream, frozen pizza, frozen meals.
The drinks section.
Water, juice, soda, coffee.
Perfect. Now you know the sections of the supermarket.
David, I have a problem.
What's wrong?
I can't find the olive oil. I don't know where it is.
Oh, this happens a lot. So, what do we do?
We ask for help.
Exactly. And in English, asking for help is very simple. Very easy.
The most important phrase is, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me? Say it with us. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Always start with excuse me. It's polite. It gets someone's attention in a friendly way.
Then you can say, "Where can I find the..."
Where can I find the? For example, where can I find the olive oil?
or "Where can I find the sugar?"
Or where can I find the pasta?
"Where can I find the coffee?"
Where can I find the milk?
You can use this phrase for anything. Where can I find the...
Very useful. Very simple. Okay, let's practice together. I will be the shopper. Alice, you are the supermarket worker.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
Where can I find the olive oil?
Olive oil? It's in aisle 5 on the left side.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Did you follow that? Let's look at one new word. Aisle.
Aisle. Say it. Aisle.
An aisle is the long path between the shelves in the supermarket.
Like a long corridor. Aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3.
The worker said it's in aisle 5, on the left side.
So you walk to aisle 5, you look to the left, and there is the olive oil.
Simple. And if you don't understand, you can say, "Can you show me?"
Can you show me? Short, simple, very useful.
Most supermarket workers are happy to help. Don't be shy. Just ask.
Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" and you're already doing great.
Okay, we found the olive oil. Now I'm looking at the price.
Is it expensive?
A little. So how do we talk about prices in English?
Very easy. The most common question is, how much is this?
How much is this? Say it. How much is this?
How much is this?
Or you can say, how much does this cost?
How much does this cost? Both are correct. Both sound natural.
Now, in supermarkets, sometimes you see a special price, a lower price.
And in English, we say, "It's on sale."
On sale. It means the price is lower than normal. It's cheaper today.
For example, "This olive oil is on sale today."
Or, these apples are on sale, only $1.50.
On sale is always good news.
Always, and sometimes you see a sign that says, buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free. You buy one item, you get a second item for free.
That is a very good deal. Very popular in supermarkets.
Okay, I found something on sale. Let me practice. David, how much is this bread?
It's $2.50.
Is it on sale?
Yes, today it's only $2. Special offer.
Oh, great. I'll take it.
I'll take it. Did you hear that? I'll take it means I want to buy this.
I'll take it. Very natural, very common.
Or you can say, I'll get this one. Same meaning.
I'll take it. I'll get this one. Both are perfect. Okay, David, I think we have everything on our list now.
Let me check. Vegetables, yes. Fruit, yes. Bread, yes. Olive oil, yes.
Chocolate?
Of course, yes. Chocolate, yes.
Perfect. Then it's time to pay. Time to go to the checkout.
The checkout. Check out. Checkout.
The checkout is where you pay for your shopping. It's usually at the front of the supermarket.
There are two kinds of checkout. The first one, a person helps you, a cashier.
A cashier is the person who works at the checkout. They scan your items and take your money.
The second kind, the self-checkout. You do it yourself. There's a machine.
No cashier. You scan everything yourself.
Self-checkout is becoming very common now in many countries.
But sometimes the machine has problems.
Yes, unexpected item in the bagging area.
Every single time. That message makes everyone so nervous.
You just put your bag down and suddenly beep, 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 error.
And then everyone in the line looks at you.
Okay, let's focus. At the checkout, the cashier will say things to you.
And it's important to understand what they say.
The first thing they might say, "Did you find everything okay?"
Did you find everything okay? This means, did you find all the things you wanted?
If yes, you say, "Yes, thank you. Everything was great."
If no, you say, actually, I couldn't find the pasta.
I couldn't find. This means you looked, but you did not find it.
I couldn't find the pasta. I couldn't find the sugar. I couldn't find the coffee.
Very useful phrase. I couldn't find it.
Next, the cashier might ask, do you have a loyalty card?
A loyalty card. Some supermarkets give you points every time you shop.
You collect the points, and then you save money on future shopping.
If you have one, yes, here it is, and you show your card.
If you don't have one, no, I don't, thank you.
Simple, easy, polite.
Then the cashier scans all your items and says, your total is...
Your total. Total means the full amount, the final price of everything together.
Your total is $15.80.
And then you pay. You can ask, can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Very useful question.
Or can I pay cash?
Cash is paper money. Card is your credit card or debit card.
Most supermarkets accept both, but it's always good to ask.
And at the very end, you smile and say, thank you, have a nice day.
Always friendly, always polite. It makes everyone feel good.
And the cashier will usually say, you too, thank you for shopping with us.
Okay, everyone, now let's do a full supermarket conversation from start to finish.
Listen carefully. Try to follow along. You can even repeat after us.
I am the shopper. Alice is the supermarket worker and the cashier.
Ready, David?
Ready?
Welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
Pasta is in aisle 3, on the right side.
Thank you. And where's the dairy section?
The dairy section is at the back of the store, near the frozen food section.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
A few minutes later at the checkout.
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Great. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't. Sorry.
No problem at all. Okay, your total is $23.40.
Can I pay by card?
Of course, just tap your card here.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for shopping with us. See you next time.
Did you follow that whole conversation?
Let's go through the most important phrases one more time, nice and slowly.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Where can I find the...
Where can I find the pasta? Where can I find the milk?
How much is this?
How much is this? How much does this cost?
It's on sale.
It's on sale. The price is lower today.
I'll take it.
I'll take it. I want to buy this.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay cash?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Always smile. Always be friendly.
These phrases, you can use them every single time you go shopping, in any supermarket, in any English-speaking country.
Learn them. Practice them. Say them out loud right now.
Seriously, pause the video. Say each phrase out loud. It really helps.
Speaking out loud is the fastest way to improve your English. Don't just listen, speak.
Now, we have a few practice questions for you. Think about your answers.
How do you ask for help in a supermarket?
Think. The answer is, excuse me, can you help me?
How do you ask about the price?
The answer is, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost?
What does on sale mean?
It means the price is lower than normal. It's cheaper today. It's a good deal.
What do you say when you want to buy something?
I'll take it, or I'll get this one.
And how do you ask to pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Short, simple, very natural.
You answered all of those? Then your English is getting better every single day.
Seriously, every lesson you finish, you are one step closer to speaking English with confidence.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's lesson.
We talked about shopping at the supermarket. We learned so many real and useful phrases.
We learned how to make a shopping list, how to find different sections.
How to ask for help, how to check prices, how to pay at the checkout.
Real English, daily English, the kind of English you actually need.
And now we have a fun question for you, a question for the comments.
Tell us, what do you always forget to buy at the supermarket?
For me, it's always milk. Every single time I forget the milk.
For me, it's eggs. I write it on my list, I get to the supermarket, and somehow, no eggs.
It's a mystery. Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
And tell us, which phrase from today was your favorite?
Maybe I'll take it? Or, excuse me, can you help me?
Let us know. We read every comment.
If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English. Help them grow too.
Subscribe to Ace English Daily if you haven't already. New lessons every week. Always simple, always useful, always friendly.
We are here every week, just for you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You are amazing.
Keep going, keep practicing. Every day, a little better.
This is David
And this is Alice.
from Ace English Daily. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.